What if I told you about a project? If you get in early, you will get massive gains. Imagine being one of the early investors of Instagram, MoneyGram, or Telegram. Well, here is your second chance to be an early investor of, drumroll please, Cryptogram. Yes, when you invest in the token, you are also owning part of the tech firm. And after they release version 1, imagine this, you get paid in their revenue share every quarter. Talking about some amazing passive income. This is what I'm predicting in the next 2 months of Cryptogram. Or maybe till March 2022, because I heard that the bull run might last until March, but who knows. Now this is just my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, do your own research. Many of you are FOMOing into alts. You can maybe make some money, but the big money inflow have yet to come in. So no matter how much money BTC flows into alts, there is a limit. This game is being controlled, orchestrated, and played by whales. This is something you always have to remember. For a super cycle to happen, it cannot be money flowing from BTC into alts. It has to be new money inflow first into BTC and later on into alts. That's how money flow works. You will see in the coming weeks or months new money first flow into Bitcoin, where it peaks, eventually into big alts, and finally into smaller caps that will trigger a full-blown super cycle alt season. What comes next is the super cycle. It most likely will happen around December, if not January period. So in conclusion, if we hit $100 million market cap by December 2021, which is before the full-blown super cycle alt season, then a 5x from $100 million market cap to $500 million market cap is attainable, and on the high end of $1 billion market cap is not too far away when the whales sell their Bitcoin to pump all the alts. Some of you might be saying that $1 billion market cap is not possible in the short run, and I get it. Well, crypto is the wild, wild west. Anything is possible, and at the end of the day, Cryptogram hitting past 1 billion market cap is not a matter of if, it's a matter of a when. Especially in 5 years after crypto mass adoption, I believe Cryptogram will hit the market cap in the multi-billions, especially after you hear about the news they will announce of their partnership with a multi-billion-dollar company. Also, one of the devs already has a successful track history record of working on over 30 to 40 apps that is already being used on Google Play. So this is not their first rodeo. This is why I feel confident in Cryptogram, because not only Cryptogram is a multi-billion-dollar concept, the team already has combined experience on knowing how to get this platform mainstream. Their formula is simple. History repeats itself. They will repeat their successful pattern, but this time even better. It's basically like rinse and repeat process and a better developed one. Especially these days, some platforms' privacy are not so secure, even selling your personal information. Many people will be wanting to do their transactions anonymously, and Cryptogram is the one-stop shop solution. From what I heard, once they release the beta version, they will allow the community to give feedback and release version 1 most likely before the end of this year, and then version 2 and 3 sometime around 2022. In my personal opinion, we are already getting a lot of crypto investors that are worried about the security of Telegram. Let's talk about the first feature, anonymous chat. Cryptogram will dwarf Telegram as mass adoption continues to grow in the next 5 to 10 years. Imagine crypto millionaires will no longer feel safe communicating on Telegram because of security risks. This is one of the key features why Cryptogram will be the most in-demand app for all crypto investors. Telegram, the government can track you. Normal and group chats in Telegram rely on a standard encrypted cloud storage system based on server-client encryption called MT Proto encryption. However, when content is stored in the cloud, it can be accessible across devices, and this can be seen as a potential security risk for the data. Once they arrive on Telegram servers, the data is decrypted and the messages can therefore be accessed. End-to-end encryption is important because it prevents the server owner from accessing your data and sharing it with government agencies. But Cryptogram, not even the owners can track who you are. This is why their anonymous chat feature is so amazing. The next feature, chat wallet to wallet. Anonymous messaging. Wallet holders can communicate and share content anonymously in an end-to-end encrypted chat. For example, if you see a whale just dump on you, you can message them through their wallet and ask the person directly why they sold. This will be the new regular way of communicating. Cryptogram is already 10 steps ahead of everyone. They create for the future and not just for the present. Now, I know some of you guys are only interested in investing, and when it does a 2x or 10x, you want to sell and move on to another project. Well, in my opinion, you and all the other paper hands will regret when you will later realize that the real money comes in the revenue Cryptogram generates. You see, 60% of all profits earned by the Cryptogram platform and future projects released under the Cryptogram brand will be distributed to token holders. Here's an example. Now, this is just a rough estimate and the calculation is not precise. I'm only sharing this so you can see the possibilities of how Cryptogram holders will benefit. If you own 1%, that is about 8 million tokens. And let's say they make $100 million in revenue Q1 of 2022. You would get paid 1% of $60 million every quarter, which is $600,000 every 3 months. So if you own 2 million tokens, then that would be about $150,000 every 3 months. If you own 1 million tokens, that would be $75,000 every 3 months in passive income. Owning 1 million Cryptogram tokens equals to $300,000 a year of passive income, approximately, if they average $100 million of revenue every 3 months, which can happen soon. Now imagine 5 years from now when the whole world is communicating on Cryptogram and everyone has to go through Cryptogram to advertise their crypto products. This is what many don't see, how powerful Cryptogram will be. It can take over the world. Nothing can stop it. You buying Cryptogram now is like being an early investor of Instagram or Telegram. In addition to Cryptogram reflections, each token holder receives 60% of the total revenue from all Cryptogram trademarked products, including Cryptogram. The amount each holder receives is proportional to their holdings and allocated directly for as long as they hold the token. All Cryptogram needs to reach to is $100 million revenue per quarter to see these profits. And if you compare this to another app like Instagram, yes, in the next few years, it is very, very possible. Because in 2019, Instagram generated $20 billion in advertising revenue. According to Omnicore, a direct marketing agency, about 69% of America's marketers plan to spend most of their 2020 influencer budget on Instagram. According to a Bloomberg Intelligence report, Instagram was worth $100 billion by 2018. So the ad revenue that Cryptogram generates will be one of many passive incomes the team has planned down the line. There are also more features that won't be revealed until later.
Amazing! I made $2,000 today following the top trader. This is so easy. I have to tell Samantha about Cryptogram.
Cryptogram? What is Cryptogram?